Here we're going to disassemble an Antminer S17 Pro to get to its hashboards. We start by removing the hood of this ASIC miner. This particular unit has 4 screws, but others may have more. The hashboards are connected to the power supply unit and the control board. The bus bars of the PSU connects to all 3 hashboards. To remove the negative bus bar, we need to unscrew the ground bracket. It is good practice to remove the top screw from the PSU at this stage. Since they're the same size, you'll need to store it with the ground screw for later. We then unscrew the top hood from the main chassis. We'll now switch to a 1/8 inch hex bit to unbolt the bus bars from the PSU. We then unplug the I/O cables from the hashboards. This can be tricky and requires firm pressure on the lip of the connector while pulling gently on the cable. We can now unstick the top hood from the main chassis to access the fan screws. A good tip to get to the bottom fan screws easily is to push the unit to the edge of your workbench. Finally, we rotate the fans to access the hashboards. The boards are on tracks and can be removed by sliding them out. Be careful as heatsinks are fragile and tend to break in handling. Consider subscribing for more ASIC miners maintenance guidelines.